Make I tell you now. They don't buy fuel. Buy firewood. Wait till remain now. They don't buy fuel. Buy firewood. Buy matches. Wait till remain now. Fire! Boom! They go light the matches. Sorry, they go pour the fuel on top firewood. Light the matches. Everywhere go catch fire. Now wait till remain to happen now inside River because every other thing we don't expect it go happen. It don't happen. No. Now they have made the ground so fertile for fire to catch. Make fire burn everywhere. No, if you are saying it, you go be like, we don't know what you talk. One man, well, just use the state they play bang because there is a governor that is calm. You know Fubara said you too calm. But anyway, God know they make mistake. God know why. Now you sit down for there. Present budget. Supreme Court say, go and present budget. Governor don't say, okay now. Make I go present budget. I get it. Meanwhile, first of all, they give them 48 hours to present the budget. 48 hours. Ultimatum from the assembly. After Supreme Court give that judgment. How do you expect the governor to do this in 48 hours? Make it put himself in order, rewrite the way he's supposed to rewrite, to do, normal things. That one no can work out. So when the governor now don't read it, he can't write to them. And they come. He sent message. He sent letter. He even sent WhatsApp messages independently to each of them. How do I know? The governor said it himself. Governor talk about himself. Now, the people that they wrote the letters to and sent WhatsApp messages and communicated via other means, they said, we did not receive any communication. They did not even say that the time where they give, they say it too short. Now say they did not receive any communication at all. Governor carry himself. Go make you go present the budget. They lock him outside. The reason? He said they did not receive anything. And governor don't finally speak up. I want to help me watch this video. Watch waiting governor talk. When we come back, I go play owner how we can take the vibrate for your own side. As he take touch all this what happen inside River State. Watch this video.
Don't stand there. Sorry. This window, wait, come this way.
Don't worry.
Not be captured in fire. Oh, sorry.
Clear, police. Clear one corner.
Come on, for us. Keep moving.
Make him for fine. For position. And for position inside.
No go.
Sorry.
gate is locked. All right, okay.
There are no security men.
Nobody's open the gate.
They left. All of them.
I'm here myself this morning with members of the few members of the Civil Council to comply with the Supreme Court judgment. Before my arrival, I've already made several attempts by phone call to reach the Speaker and other members. I also did a letter personally which was transmitted to the Honorable Speaker for this particular invitation. But it's unfortunate that at the gate you can see that the place is completely sealed and there is no sign that anything is going to happen today. The reason why we're doing this, I've always said it, is the interests of our people, which is the most important thing. Well, I don't think there's anything to worry about. Maybe they are working on their letter. I expect to hear from them maybe after this hour. Thank you.
You see, as governor come with an entourage, they lock him outside. The whole governor say he did not inform them. Then he must inform them before coming. Say they don't know whether he won't come bump them. Nice move, nice move. That is to tell you that both parties, will I say both parties, the Wike lawmakers are not ready for peace. Because if they're ready for peace, anyhow it be, they for allow my governor enter. Presenting budget. So that their people can have salary at the end of this month. This month don't the end though. This month don't the end. People don't collect salary. So if they wanted peace, they would have allowed this governor make it just presented budget. But they say no. All their aim is impeach this man, impeach this man. We will see how it goes. We are wicked there now. Yeah, wait till talk. Wait till not say wicked they do now. Watch this video.
Well, the drama is not only playing out in Port Harcourt, the Rivers State capital. Over in the nation's capital, that's Abuja, his predecessor, that's Governor Sim Fubara's predecessor, the FCT minister, Nyesom Wike, has been blowing hot. And he insists that Governor Fubara can be impeached by the assembly lawmakers, that is, if he is found to have committed an impeachable offense. And he says heaven will not fall.
But if you have committed an offense to be impeached, what is wrong? Is it a criminal offense? It's provided in the Constitution. The point I'm making, if you have committed an infraction of the Constitution and assembly deems it fit to say you should be impeached, let me tell you, politics is not played just like this. Is it the first person that will have threatened about impeachment? Don't you know what to do? What is all these who are value that they will impeach? And let me tell you, and I have heard people say, oh, if they're impeaching, there will be breakdown of one another. Rubbish. Hold on, rubbish. Those which is just tell me who are the militants? Who is not a militant? Who is born as a militant? No, tell me the person that's born the day you were giving birth. They say you're a militant. Who is not a militant? Who cannot blow at the pipeline? Why do you arrogate this power to a certain group of people? It's just people are the only people who can blow pipeline. What nonsense is that? Who told you people cannot blow pipeline? Who told you people cannot blow pipeline? Who told you people cannot blow pipeline? Why do you arrogate powers to people? There's nothing like that. Two. Who is the one doing the contract of the pipeline? Who is the one doing the pipeline contract? The sovereign. It's not a Johnson. It's not a Tompolo. It's not Antigua. They gave you that to do surveillance. You are the one collecting money in German. And they say in German people are going to blame pipeline. And somebody will hear that. How dare you threaten a country? How dare you?
So you're detecting the threat?
Which threat? It does not exist. It does not exist. These are political things planted by some people in government. Look, all of us know ourselves. All of us know ourselves. You make an appointment of MD of NDC, they threaten, they blow pipeline. You make an appointment here, they threaten, they blow pipeline. What kind of country are we in? As a sitting president, you threaten me that if you follow what the court said, I will blow up everywhere. Enough is enough. You don't tell me anybody that. I was the governor. I see security reports. I said, this security report, this one is fake. I said, strike. I said, the non-SSS, this one is tricky. Take it out. Yes, I know where the first coming from. That's what security report you see. You laugh. Planted by people in government who are in support of what the young boy is doing.
You see, it vibrates. When I talk, say, if they impeach Fubara, wahala go dey. Say, now when I got the monopoly of wahala, say, you bomb pipeline. It's sure that only you sabi bomb pipeline. Him too is sabi blow pipeline. So as they plan him, they plan their own too. So this is like rubbish. So nobody. You blow, I blow. Now the country goes suffer last. I know they talk. That's why they text. You don't hear and now. The oil we get from that country to sustain ourselves. Last we no go see them again. Because when as they don't buy fuel now, buy what do they call it? Firewood, get matches. Now to just fire to light them everywhere. Go. Now wait till remain now because everything to set that state on fire is on ground. So now the situation of the country now, situation of the states now. They lock the governor out, making no present budget, and make it where he shout, hey, blow pipeline, pipeline. It goes to start to happen. Everywhere goes to Casablanca, inside River State. I go see one later, beg.
For over a decade, this has been the birthplace of innovation. Innoson Vehicles is a testament to resilience, employing international best practices to create more than just a car. Every vehicle here tells a story of durability, fuel economy and safety. Crafted with the African spirit, the Nigerian heart. These vehicles surrounding me embody the unique concept of regionalization, each one designed to cater to the tastes and preferences of our people. From the streets in Nigeria to the terrains of the Sahara, these vehicles are designed for our roads, for our people. This is more than a vehicle. It's a symbol of our progress, our resilience, our collective success story. Your feedback drives us to continuously innovate and improve. Innoson Vehicle, the pride of African roads.